Thinking about moving to Barcelona? Whether it's short-term or forever, here are some real tips that will help you settle in with confidence. Tip 1. Know that Catalan and Spanish are both spoken. Barcelona is in Catalonia, so many locals speak Catalan as their first language. You'll get by with Spanish, but learning a few Catalan basics shows respect and makes day-to-day life easier. Tip 2. Get your essentials on day 1. Pick up a local SIM card and a TMB transport card right away. SIMs from Orange or Vodafone are cheap and easy, and the metro is one of the best in Europe. It'll make your first weeks a lot smoother. Barcelona has its own rhythm, and it's probably not what you're used to. Tip 3. Embrace the local schedule. Lunch at 2, dinner at 9 or later. Sundays are sacred and siestas are real. Don't fight it, adapt. Life here moves slower, and that's part of its charm. Tip 4. Join expat and international communities. Barcelona has a huge expat scene. Join local Facebook groups, attend language exchanges, or co-work in places like Cloudworks or One Co-work. You'll find people going through the same journey you are. Tip 5. Sort out your paperwork early. If you're staying long-term, look into the NIE, foreigner ID, residence permits, and healthcare options. The bureaucracy can be slow. The earlier you start, the better. Barcelona is more than beaches and tapas. It's a lifestyle shift. Get connected, stay patient, and give it a little time. You'll fall in love with it too. Once you've settled in and are ready to make Barcelona feel like home, Renovate Manager can help you find, remodel, or manage your perfect apartment with trusted local experts who speak your language.